Hi, I'm going to show you how to paint a shabby rose today on a piece of furniture. I'm going to paint the background. I've got French vanilla, fuchsia, and white. And I'm going to combine them in a crisscross manner just to get a pretty background. That's white, pink. I want it really soft. No special way. Just really shabby. Add a little bit more paint here. White. And that's it. Okay. And let that dry. I'm going to take my same colors. I'm just going to accent different areas on my piece of furniture. Very light. Very watery brush. This right here. Soft. This is shabby painting, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And we'll let that dry. Okay. I'll clean my brush. I'm going to double load my paint. Fuchsia. Actually, I'm going to triple load. This is a light pink. French vanilla. I'm going to add a little white. Very watery. Pink. Beautiful. I'm going to start a rose right down here. And a little white. This is an arch. And another arch. One next to that. Add white. Center of my rose. You can see now the rose starting to form. And let that dry, and I'll add more petals. I'm going to add green to my brush. A little bit of pink. I've got a combination of green and pink. I'll put white on that too. And I'm going to start to do a leaf. Just very watery, very light. Take a liner brush. That's it. This looks like it's dry. I'm going to go up here. I'll take white, fuchsia, pink. Blend them on the palette. There we go. One, two, three. I want to put one over here. Two, three. This is going to be a bud. Put another one here. This is the back of our rose bowl. Front. This is the front of our petals. Let's do that again. shabby. I'm going to work on a leaf now. I'm not going to clean my brush, I'm just going to add green. And you can see all the colors together. And take a liner brush, go into my same puddle. On and just okay, this should be dry. Let's go in and fill some more petals. Nice to do it outside in the fresh air. I'm going to go back down here. This is a little bright, so we're going to tone it down a bit. And we just keep dipping our brush into colors. A little bit bright. Rose petals. Okay. Pumpkins here. Here comes the lawnmower. Move over to this side. Just kind of going to do the same thing. Now fill in our brush. A lot of water. Can't see it. This angle, but there we go. And I'm going to put a little background down here too. French vanilla. Okay. Filler petals in right here, just dashes. There we go. Be right in the buds. And take a smaller brush, so number 10. The larger one was a 3/4 flat. I'm going to just add a little leaf. Right here. And they're just dashes, really, connected together with the side of the brush. And over here. Here. And move over to this area. You can see it's very shabby. Nothing special. It's real quick. We'll take our liner brush. Just give some soft curls. A little neighbor boy. I think he's having fun. So it's a little loud. Have a good time. Okay. Lift up a bit. I'm done. Okay. That's one piece of furniture. Thanks.